Hi everyone, I'm Colleen and this is Nate. We're Navigate with Colleen and Nate, where we share our travel adventures. We are a couple who love to travel, explore new places, and have fun along the way. Join us as we show you the best spots, where to eat, and tips and tricks for your next vacation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to navigate your world.
This week, we head aboard Celebrity Apex in part 1 of our 2-part embarkation series. We'll show you a little bit about Port Everglades, what the onboarding experience is like, provide some tips and tricks on making your main dining experience awesome, and take you along as we explore Celebrity Apex for the first time.
Well, hi navigators! We're back for our next adventure.
Where are we going?
We are boarding Celebrity Apex today, so we are super excited. We haven't been on a celebrity cruise since 2017, actually. We're very excited to actually get on the Edge class cruise ship.
Yeah, and the last one we went on was a Solstice class.
Correct.
Was it the Equinox?
Yes.
Okay. This is super nice. We're super excited because this is a completely different ship than we've been on before. So
as you probably saw from our short video, if not, you gotta check it out. We actually stayed at the AC Marriott last night. So a nice little hotel. We're about 11-minute drive from Port Everglades, but we're technically in Dania Beach.
Hotel's great. Definitely check out that short. A little bit of a snafu. There's another short on that, so you'll have to check that out. But that can happen. I want to stress that can happen anywhere. So definitely check those shorts out. And on this trip too, well, maybe you've already checked the short out because the shorts are going to come out live.
Right.
And then you're going to see this afterwards. So if you already checked out the shorts, thank you. If you haven't checked out the shorts, go back and check out the shorts. So anything else? I don't know. We're going to get out of here.
I think let's pack ourselves up and make our way over to the cruise port. We're a little bit early, but we figure what the heck, let's try to get a parking spot in the parking garage. We know that's a little challenging sometimes.
All right, so we're gonna get out of here. So let's get out of the hotel room.
Stay tuned, navigators. Navigators. So we actually made it to Port Everglades. We parked in the Palms parking garage, which is a short walk.
Short. Relative.
So basically you exit the parking garage, you cross the street, and then you've got a good maybe I'd say 5-minute walk to the entrance for Celebrity.
We got checked right in today. It was super easy. Everyone's so nice here. And I gotta be honest with you, when we went on our last Royal cruise, which was on Oasis of the Seas, a ship that has twice as many people on it, literally a tenth of the staff at the check-in. So they have like 5 lanes of security. They got like, I don't even know, 15 people that you just have to do your initial check-in with. If you're already checked in, see it right away, and they're like, oh yeah, we'll be getting on the ship soon. So I'm like, all right, I guess we're just gonna chill here.
Yeah, so nice and air conditioned and cool, but most important, let's tell you about our itinerary for this cruise. So it's Western Caribbean. We're heading to Key West, Belize, Cozumel, and Grand Cayman. So we have 2 tender ports, so we are excited to check out the tendering process for folks that are in wheelchair. We're going to definitely take a video for you because I think this will be the first time potentially that we'll be able to actually get off and do a tender port.
And also, we have a different room type today. I'm not going to tell you what it is right now, but either I picked the room, so either I made a good choice or I made a really bad choice. So you're going to find out in just a few minutes here. So anyways, we're just going to get ready to get boarding.
Yeah, excited.
Come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be. Life with no distractions.
Morning.
We'll get away.
A3. A3. One deck down. It's going down. That's super nice. That makes it pretty obvious. What do you think so far?
Buster drill done.
Yeah, we're gonna whip out the better camera here in a few minutes. We're heading up to the room right now, so are you excited for the room?
Yes, we can drop off our luggage ahead of time, which is really nice, so we don't have to wheel around our little carry-on. So.
And we're gonna pull out the camera with the Rode mic. So we'll see you in a second. All right, we're here. Just checked out the room. We're not gonna show it to you quite yet. We did get a little bit of video already, but they're still making up our room, and we wanted to make sure it's pristine so that you get a great idea of what the ship will look like. So Colleen, where are we gonna go now?
I think we're gonna head down to one of the restaurants. We wanna better understand how we actually need to make reservations. Do we make reservations? We have a set dining time of 8 p.m., but how do we pick amongst the different dining rooms? So we're gonna go figure that out, and we'll stay tuned. We'll let you know.
You wanna go to the sea camp?
I think I'll pass. Ooh, elevator.
Oh, elevator. All right. So we just went down only to find we have to go up. So now we're going up. We're gonna find.
The elevator system is very easy. The elevators are very easy. Like, they're not packed and people aren't running and following in and jamming after you. Welcome aboard. Thank you so much. Just a quick question. So we have an 8 o'clock dining, and we're just wondering how it worked. Do we need to make a reservation for a specific dining room? Get out the whole dining situation. So we do have a couple of specialty dining options planned, but we are going to dine in the main dining room. We do have a set dining time of 8 p.m. So we weren't sure, do we just show up to a dining room and they'll automatically seat us? And the answer is yes.
Yeah, so clearly having a fixed dining time doesn't matter, especially if you're a smaller group. They said just show up whenever. The busiest times are going to be between 6 to 8.
Yep.
So 6 to 8. So if you want to get in quicker, you're an early diner, get before there's 6. If you're late dining like we like to do, get there after 8. So we're actually hanging out in the casino right now, and we're taking some video because you can't normally video in here when everyone's gambling. I don't know, because it's high security. I don't know, we don't gamble, so this is probably the one and only time we'll be in the casino.
And some additional information too. So we were told that the first 2 days, the main dining rooms are usually pretty packed. If you do have a larger party, they recommend making a reservation ahead of time. So we're just a party of 2, not an issue. But if you're, multiple families trying to dine together, they said do make a reservation.
What are we doing now? I'm like I'm so confused. Like this is like I feel like I'm basically cruising for the first time here.
You want to go get some lunch in Eden?
Yeah, we're gonna get some lunch in Eden. Eden, where is it? I have no idea. All right, you're gonna find out with us. Come along. Change of plans. We're gonna go up to deck 15. We're gonna go check out. I think we need a little libation because we're a little, I don't know if frazzle's the right word. We're just kind of like, I have no idea like what is going on right now. No idea where I am. This is the thing. You come on a ship, you go on the same ship over and over again. All of a sudden you're like, you feel like you know that ship, and then you come on a ship like this and it's like all new. You don't know what you're doing. So anyways, we're gonna head up to the magic carpet. Hopefully it's not mobbed. Get some libation. It's warm out here. How you doing back there, Colin? How you doing? Oh, good, okay. Get my sunglasses on here. Of course, picked the wrong side for the magic carpet, that's okay. It seems everybody's equally confused. It looks like some people let their spouses maybe do the planning because we said we're going to the magic carpet and the guy's like, what's the magic carpet? I told him it actually flies off the ship. I don't know if he believed me.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. The ship is absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, this video and every video that you've ever seen on Celebrity is not going to do this any justice here. So we're going to go get ourselves a nice libation and chill out and check out Port Everglades here. Actually, it looks pretty quiet, so I think we're in luck. What do you think so far?
I I feel like I just can't stop saying this ship is gorgeous. This ship is gorgeous. It is so beautiful. Every space is just like elegant and so well designed, and the colors. Oh, and it doesn't feel crowded. I mean, granted, I know it's still a little bit early. It's probably about noontime, so people are still getting on the ship, but it's just stunning.
Classy.
Cheers to 15 years.
Oh, 15 years, sorry. 15, it's not yet.
It's almost 15 years, everyone.
Almost.
So super fun fact. I don't know if you can see it, but in the background there is the Celebrity Equinox, and that's actually the first ship, cruise ship, Colleen and I ever went on. It's actually the first cruise ship I ever went on, not the first cruise ship Colleen ever went on. It was the first one we ever went on as a couple 5 years ago, over 5 years. Was it 5 years? 6 years. 6 years ago. There is a video of that. I will warn you all, it is not great, but if this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll do a special episode where I played that video, and we'll do it together. We'll watch it together in all of its gloriousness, all of its cinematography, magic. We'll do it all together, all right? But so you gotta smash up, thumbs up this video right now. Send it to 999 of your friends. Tell them to do the same thing. And we'll play the video that I took 6 years ago, before I was even doing YouTube, of that. It's great. Trust me.